Welcome to Zape Learning app.
Hello, my little learners. Today, we're going to solve a fun and easy time word problem together. Time problems help us understand when things happen during the day. Let's see how we can solve one. Here's our word problem. Tanya wakes up at 6 a.m. Her brother Tim wakes up 2 hours later. Let's figure out what time Tim wakes up. Tanya wakes up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Look at the clock. The shorthand is on 6, and the longhand is on 12. That's how we know it's 6 o'clock. Now let's add 2 hours. 1 hour after 6 o'clock is 7 o'clock. And 1 more hour makes it 8 o'clock. So, if Tim wakes up 2 hours after 6 o'clock, he wakes up at 8 o'clock. Time word problems are like little puzzles about our day. They help us understand when things happen, just like in real life. Tanya woke up early, and her brother Tim slept a little longer. Great job listening, my clever time thinkers. Let's remember. First, look at the starting time. Then, add the extra time step by step. And don't forget, use a clock to help if you need it. You'll be solving time problems like a pro in no time. Next time you look at the clock, ask yourself, how many hours until bedtime? Or, what time will it be in 2 hours? Keep practicing. And keep shining bright. Bye-bye for now, Lil Time Detectives.
Smarter learning starts today. Download and subscribe to Zape Learning app now.